Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can send sketches on Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open this Kik app option on your phone. After you open Kik on your phone, what you need to do next is go to any chat. So I'll just go ahead and click on a chat with my friend. And the next thing you want to do is click on this box option on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Then you can see the sketch option, this pen looking icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now wait for a while and a sketch will open up. Now you can draw whatever you want and send to your friend. You can choose the type of pen, brush or pencil you want to use. And you can go ahead and draw what you want. You can choose the color this way. And you can see that it is quite easy to draw something. So if you want to choose the strength of the pen or pencil you're using, you can do that as well. After you're done, you can just go ahead and click on Kik, which is over here. Wait for a while, the sketch will be completed, it will be loaded and saved, and you can easily send it. So you can go ahead and click on this sketch icon and you can go ahead and share it. So you can see the share via Kik option. Go ahead and tap on it and you can easily share it. So guys, I hope this video about how you can send a sketch to your friends and family members on Kik was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.